French natives. Francophone are the people who
French,
speak French.
French. Yes.
So francophone is different, francophonie is different, right?
Hey there, welcome to French and You, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories and more.
Okay. Let's begin. Okay. So I think we can do these exercises. Please read the question and we can do the exercise.
This exercise is from the
workbook, page number 8.
Okay.
Okay. Let me know if there is any doubt that you have in any word.
Observe les document et so this is souligner, souligner. La les response
Souligner.
oh Gian is near.
Souligner means underline.
Underline. Okay.
Okay. Souligner. Observer les documents. So we have to observe these documents and underline the correct answers. Verify. This is not required. We just have to choose the correct answers. Okay. We just have to underline the correct answers here.
Okay. So we have to do like la, le difference, which is wrong or in like.
No. So you see, there are three, 1, 2, and 3. So out of these 3, which is the correct or which are the correct answers?
Correct answer. Okay. What does this mean? Le, you, they, la, francophonie.
The games of the French speakers are
Oh,
the games of the the games of the French speaking countries.
okay.
Francophonie, French
Yes,
speaking
French speaking.
area. You can observe from these documents and you can see.
Oh, this one is Yun Fete Sportive.
You fed this fed sportive. Is there any other option also out of these two?
No. Because country is written over each picture.
Mm-hmm.
For France, it is only sports there.
No, we are not. It's not about just France. It's like any French-speaking area. What are the game? What are the?
Okay, French speak. Okay. So I think it's cinema or culture can be.
So it's
Could be.
so it's cultural et sportif. Cinema is not there.
Okay. So first one is like Cameroon.
Yeah,
So this should
this
be
is from Canada,
Canada,
France, and Chad.
Chad.
These are, I think, Cameroon and Chad are
African
African.
countries. Yes.
Okay. Second part, La ville des Jeux de la Francophonie est the city of the games of the French speakers is Paris, Quebec, Abidjan. Which is the correct option?
Abidjan.
Yeah, Abidjan. It's written here.
Mm.
Okay. Les sportifs et les artistes sont the sportif, the sportsman, and the sports person. Maybe we can say 3. And the artists are French or Francophone.
Francophonie.
French, Francais means originally from France, French natives. Francophone are the people who
French.
speak French.
French. Yes.
So francophone is different, francophonie is different, right? Francophonie is like French speaking country,
Okay.
right? Francophone is like French speakers. So
People.
we come in French francophones, right? Okay. Les continents représentés sont. The continents represented are
Son is R.
Hmm.
S-O-N-T.
Yeah.
Afrique.
Mhm.
Afrique. Europe.
Europe,
And
Canada is also here.
Africa. America.
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 Right. Okay. Carex also
This
a
L apostrophe it is there in front of every country name.
because it's starting with the vowel. Here every
Okay.
continent name is starting with the vowel. No?
Okay. Oh. What is the meaning of this? Okay.
So this is the name of this girl, you know. So the name of this girl.
Okay.
Yeah. So she is a chanteur. Two even chanteurs. अभी gender test ले रहे हैं.
Okay. Yun use.
Yeah, I mean, so it's looking like a girl.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Sufyan Miluz. A.
And use a sporty.
Okay. Sporty. And what do you think? What else? Any other option? Sporty.
Fancy.
A. Francais. Yeah, because he belongs to France.
France.
Right? Correct. All right. I think we have not completed this whole because the main thing, the verb conjugation, just introduced in this lesson now. जो आप पूछे थे ना, what is the meaning of song? Song का मतलब R होता है, so like that. So in this lesson, अभी हमने सिर्फ professions किए हैं, right? We had just done the professions. We have not done nationalities till now, right?
No.
All right. All right. So now, Anup, let's do this question number 2. So here what they have done is poser des questions avec le verbe être et répondre. So you have to ask question using the verb être and then you will respond also. For example, they have given us the subject pronoun. They have given us tu and slash Rus. Now Rus means the Russian. Okay. So tu we have and Russian, the nationality we have. So what we will do, we will ask a question. Tu es Rus? Question mark. Are you Russian? Then answer will be oui, je suis Russe. Yes, I am Russian. So here you will find that subject pronouns are given to you, slash professions or nationalities are given to you, right? So you have to use être verb and then you have to write down, make the question. Question mark is also already written over here. And then we need to write down the answer also. Okay. Done?
Done.
Okay. Let's discuss the answer.
So
for the first one.
L-A
Mhm.
actress.
L-A.
Actress.
Okay. Next part.
L-A. L-A.
Il. A. Il. A or il sont?
Oh, ils sont.
Hmm.
Let's say ils sont.
Ils sont canadiens.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
Vous êtes.
Vous êtes
Vous êtes.
francophone.
Vous êtes. Tu
Next.
es
Belge.
belge.
Next.
Elles sont
musiciennes. Elles sont musiciennes. Next.
elle est réalisateur.
Il est réalisateur. Okay. Next.
Elle est actrice.
Oui, elle est
Oui,
actrice.
actrice. C silent kind of actrice.
Yeah. Oui, il est actrice. Next.
Oui, il est Canadian.
Mhm. Oui, ils sont canadiens.
Sorry, ils sont. Yes. Sorry. Ils sont.
Next.
Oui, nous êtes.
Nous sommes.
Oh,
We are. Nous sommes.
nous sommes. Yes.
This is either.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
Oui, je suis belge.
Belge.
Oui, elles sont musiciennes.
Musicienne. Next.
Oui, elle est réalisateur.
Right. So we know now how to frame question and we know how to respond. So the first question is elle est actrice with a question mark. So is she an actress? Oui, elle est actrice.
Yes.
Ils sont canadiens. Are they Canadians? Yes, they are Canadians. Vous êtes francophone? Are you a French speaker? Now here we are using vous. So vous का जो वो isn't her in second person. So इसको जब हम answer देंगे तो it will be in first person, right? So वो का जो first person होगा वो होगा no. So are you French speaker? Yes, we are French speakers, right? Then tu es Belge? Are you Belgian? Oui, yes, I am Belge.
Yeah.
Then elles sont musiciennes. They are musicians. Yes, they are musicians. Il est réalisateur. He is a director. Yes, he is a director. Right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. I think that's it for today. Right?
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.